Hi, it's Olivia and
Olivia's dad.
and we're in Hawaii and we're doing a food taste test.
Yes, Hawaiian food taste test.
Mm.
We're going to test Hawaiian food, and we're going to tell you what we think about it.
Mm-hmm.
What would you like to start with, Miss Olivia?
Do we really have to do this? It's just like any other one.
We can test it.
It's just chocolate. We're going to see if it tastes different than normal chocolate because it's from Hawaii.
I'll try this one.
Okay.
Mine has a turtle on it, and it says aloha.
Mine has a flower. It says aloha.
I'm getting ready for the big taste. Oh my God! Turtle flavored chocolate!
It's not turtle.
Who would have made that? It's terrible. Poor turtles. How does yours taste?
Is it actually turtle, Daddy?
It is. It's turtle flavored chocolate. Do your taste test. Oh, it's terrible. Who would have designed turtle flavored chocolate?
He's joking.
I am not.
Is this normal chocolate?
Oh, that's because yours is not turtle flavored. No, thank you. I've had enough turtle flavored chocolate for the day. Okay, moving right along. What are we trying next?
Want to do this?
What is this?
They're like Hawaiian chips.
These are sweet potato and taro chips made in Hawaii.
It doesn't really have a lot of flavor.
Doesn't really have a lot of flavor.
It's okay.
They're all right. Not very flavorful. Pretty much all taste the same. Not a lot of flavor, but they're not bad.
Right.
They're much better than turtle flavored chocolate now.
Do you want to do this next?
Yes, we'll do this dry tropical Hawaiian fruit.
And it's I think it's banana, coconut, and mango.
I think it's banana, coconut, and mango.
It's pineapple, not banana.
It's mango, pineapple, and coconut.
Mm. What's this? Pineapple.
I'm going to try the coconut.
I don't like coconut, so I'm going to do pineapple.
This is very good.
Mm-hmm.
It's very sweet. Sweeter than normal pineapple. Well, I'm eating coconut, so sweeter than normal coconut. You don't seem to like it. Dude, what are you going to throw up? Don't throw up on me. Oh, are you just gagging?
The taste is like
Well, Olivia doesn't like it. She was just going to throw up on her dad, so let's just move on.
Okay.
Dude, you just gagged. You were like...
Want to do this?
All right, we'll do some bread.
This is Japanese, but it's from Hawaii. It looks like it's just kind of some kind of bread. With a sticker on the bottom of it.
It's not litter.
You know. Look at it. Here.
All right, I will taste the bread. It's very good.
It tastes like a Hawaiian roll.
Tastes like a Hawaiian roll with like maple in it. Maple and cinnamon. Oh,
It
this
says maple bread.
is very good. A+ on the maple bread.
A+.
Not so much on the turtle flavored chocolate.
It's an actual turtle flavor.
It is. What are we moving on to now?
Are you just going to hold that in your hand or do you want to?
I'm gonna eat that later. Just say that.
What does that say? Mango?
Yeah.
Okay. Langu di chat.
From 7-Eleven.
It looks like bread with like hard bread with chocolate.
I don't know what say so. Oh, they're individually wrapped.
They're like little cookies.
They're like little cookies with chocolate in the middle.
Oh, they remind me of those vanilla things.
Yeah, they taste like the Pepperidge Farm things.
The what?
The Pepperidge Farm things that you and Mommy eat.
Oh.
The cookies with the chocolate in the middle.
I like it.
I'm not too big of a fan.
It's not really good.
I just-
I really like it.
Good, I'm glad you like it. Let's move on to the pineapple flavored pretzel rods. I think these are like Pocky sticks.
Oh.
In case you don't know what Pocky sticks, they're a Japanese little treat. Oh my God, they are pineapple Pocky sticks. Oh my God. These are so good.
Can I go get water?
Hey, we're gonna ruin our video.
But my mouth is so flavorful.
We'll try some of this. And then you'll see what flavor really is.
Oh my gosh.
These are awesome.
How do they do that?
I don't know. I think they take a whole pineapple and they jam it down into a little stick.
It's like it explodes in your mouth.
It's like a pineapple explosion.
I'm gonna go get water. Okay.
Oh, man.
I just
Good, because we can do the video without her. We'll be moving on.
No.
We'll be moving on without Olivia Graber, since this is my video on Hawaiian treats.
No, it's not.
All right. So moving on. We're done with the pineapple sauce. We're moving on to the Maui style potato chips.
Do they just taste like normal potato chips?
I know it says Maui style potato chips, but they just taste like normal potato chips. A little extra salty. This is Hawaiian water from Hawaii. It says Hawaiian Springs is one of the finest waters in the world. It's naturally filtered through 13,000 feet of Loch Lava. Untouched, unprocessed, and bottled at the source on the islands of Hawaii. Each drop is naturally fresh and sweet like no other water in the world. Now this is the best water in the world. I think we paid something like $150 for this bottle
No, we didn't.
because they said this is the best in the world.
No, we didn't. What did we $5?
All right, moving on. We have two more things to try. We'll have to clean that up in a minute. We're going to the Hawaii cookies. I will pick this one.
I'm not doing this one. I'm surprised the birds haven't came. Oh, never mind.
Here they come. Have some Hawaiian cookie, bird.
Hi.
My Hawaiian cookie is very good. Has a little piece of pineapple on it. The birds seem to really like it.
The birds just like come up under it. Mine's this pineapple one. This is like a cookie covered in chocolate for me.
All right. Well, that was good.
Well,
We're down to the final thing. And then Olivia will clean up this mess. And Daddy's gonna go get a shower. So as you can see, I haven't even combed my hair yet for the day.
I don't really want to.
These are chocolate covered nuts.
macadamias.
Oh my God. This is what chocolate should taste like. Tastes like chocolate with nuts in it, no turtles. This is turtle-free chocolate.
I don't like macadamias.
All right, folks.
Well, the chocolate's good, but you have to.
So we're done. And that's a Hawaiian taste off. It was good seeing you. You can check me out on Daddy115. That's my YouTube channel. See you later.
Do you really have a YouTube channel? Do you really have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, so I'm going to post that to my channel.
Okay. Bye. So we forgot to try one thing. We forgot to try this.
This is Hawaiian Sun Pineapple Orange Soda. Once again, like I said, you can see me on my YouTube channel, Daddy115. I'm just co-hosting on Olivia's today.
Here.
Please don't spit it on me.
It's really good.
It is? Take another sip. I don't think you really liked it. Take a big long sip. I think that was a little fake review.
I did like it.
Okay, let me see.
It tastes like Welch's.
No, it does not.
No, like that Welch's juice.
Oh, nice big sip. Good. That's enough.
I liked it.
Okay, I liked it too.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Daddy115, remember that.